When it comes to upgrading a home's windows, more and more homeowners in Sumter are turning to casement windows. Known for their sleek design, energy efficiency, and versatility, casement windows are quickly becoming a preferred choice for both new builds and window replacement projects. Let's explore the reasons behind this growing trend and why casement windows may be the perfect fit for your home. Modern style meets functionality. Casement windows offer a clean, modern aesthetic that complements a wide range of home styles. Whether you live in a classic southern brick home or a contemporary build, casement windows provide a timeless look with their simple design and expansive glass panels. Unlike traditional double-hung or sliding windows, casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward like a door. This design not only enhances curb appeal but also allows for unobstructed views and maximum natural light indoors. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a major concern for homeowners in Sumter, where hot summers and chilly winters make temperature control essential. Casement windows seal tightly when closed, minimizing drafts and preventing air leakage. When paired with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, casement windows can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs. For homeowners looking to save on energy bills while also reducing their environmental footprint, casement windows are a smart investment. Maximum ventilation and airflow. One of the standout benefits of casement windows is their ability to provide excellent ventilation. Since they open outward at an angle, they act almost like a funnel to draw fresh air into your home. This design makes them especially effective at catching breezes and improving indoor air circulation, even on calm days. For Sumter homeowners who value fresh air without relying heavily on air conditioning, casement windows are a practical solution. Enhanced security features. Homeowners today want windows that not only look good but also provide peace of mind. Casement windows are designed with multi-point locking systems that secure the window sash firmly into the frame. This makes them more difficult for intruders to tamper with compared to other window styles. For families in Sumter prioritizing safety and security, casement windows deliver both protection and comfort. Easy operation and accessibility. Casement windows are designed for ease of use. With a simple crank handle, they can be opened and closed effortlessly, making them a great option for hard-to-reach areas such as over kitchen sinks or countertops. This user-friendly design also makes them an excellent choice for older adults or anyone with limited mobility. Homeowners in Sumter appreciate how casement windows combine practicality with everyday convenience. Durability and long-term value. When homeowners choose to upgrade their windows, they want a product that will last. Casement windows are built with durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum-clad wood that resist weathering and wear. In Sumter's humid climate, choosing a window that can withstand moisture and temperature fluctuations is key. Casement windows not only last for decades but also boost property value, making them a smart long-term investment. Why casement windows are gaining popularity in Sumter. The rising popularity of casement windows in Sumter is no coincidence. Homeowners are seeking solutions that offer style, efficiency, and practicality all in one package. Casement windows deliver on all fronts, enhancing home aesthetics, cutting energy costs, improving ventilation, and offering dependable security. For those considering window replacement or new installations, casement windows provide a perfect blend of beauty and performance tailored to the needs of Sumter residents. As more homeowners discover the advantages, it's easy to see why casement windows are becoming the go-to choice across the region. Checkmark. Bottom line: casement windows are more than just a stylish upgrade. They're a smart investment in comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. If you're planning a window project in Sumter, casement windows could be the perfect choice to transform your home inside and out.